Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we're going to test out HiveCoin. We're going to hash on it for an entire week with the 3060s. We're going to do it on 3060 Ti, and we're going to do it on 3070s, and we're going to see what our results yield after 1 week. Without further ado, let's spin that intro. All right, welcome. Today we're going to go through HiveCoin. We're going to do a 1 week test, and we're going to do that on dual 3060s. We're going to do it on dual 3060 Ti's, and we're going to do it on a big boy 8x3070 rig. These are all full hash rate cards. I'm not going to go over the full setup or discuss the project in depth. I did that in my previous video, and make sure to check it out above. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Alright, so here we are with our results after 1 week of mining dual 3060s on HiveCoin. The dual 3060s are an MSI Gaming X3060 and an Asus dual 3060. Both are full hash rate cards. After 1 week, we earned a grand total of 59,024 HiveCoin, and there is the per day breakdown: 9,600, 6,900, 7,500, 4,600. There was an issue with the pool that day. 10,000, 9,300, and 10,500 on the last day. And right below it, we actually have the difficulty listed. And so here is our difficulty per day. You can see early on it was a little lower, and then it started to climb, and that was due to some of the YouTube hype videos that were dropped, including mine and Chump Change and Mad Electron Engineering. We all dropped videos on as the setup of the project, the background of the project, and how to mine it. So that did push up the hash rate slightly, and then it kind of have pulled back down to a more normal range. So not too shabby for 7 days of 2 graphics cards running. Now let's jump to the dual 3060 Ti's. And so for this testing, we used the dual 3060 Ti's. They are both Founder Edition cards, so of course they are full hash rate cards. After 5 days, we earned 57,159 HiveCoin. We actually cut this off slightly early because we started it a couple days later than the dual 3060s. So not too shabby, 56,159 after 5 days of mining with the dual 3060 Ti's. Next, let's go to our big boy rig. All right, so here we are. We have 8x3070 on HiveCoin. They are all full hash rate cards, and these are all higher end 3070s like the MSI Supreme, the Asus ROG Strict, the Amp Hollow Edition, Zotac, the EVGA for the Win 3. These are all the higher end 3070s in this rig. We also cut this one off at 5 days. After 5 days, this rig made 200,764 HiveCoin, and there is the per day breakdown, as you can see, as well as the difficulty, and you can see as it went up and then it has came back down slightly towards the end. So let's just go over our totals. Here are our totals earned. Our 8x3070 rig, 200,764, plus our 2x3060 Ti, 57,000, our 2x3060, 59,000, for a grand total of 316,948 HiveCoin in less than a week. Now let's go ahead and compare that to how much we actually lost in possible Ethereum earnings, and that is as of today on 10/5. These are what we have actually would have lost in Ethereum earnings. Our 3070 rig does 491 mega hash on ETH. Our 3060 Ti's does 120 mega hash, and our 2x3060s do 98 mega hash. Again, these are unlocked full hash rate cards and set up in a separate PC, so they are full hash rate of almost 50 mega hash per 3060. And so there is our per day. That rig would make $31.11 worth of ETH per day, and the dual 3060 Ti's would do 760 per day, and the dual 3060s would do 622 per day. So in reality, I'm losing $44.93 worth of Ethereum per day doing this testing. And as you can see, I made the totals over here, and I actually lost $237.09 worth of possible Ethereum rewards to earn 316,948 of the HiveCoin. And to break even for the HiveCoin to have been worth it would have to be right here per coin, 0.00074, to make it worth my time currently compared to ETH. Again, it's speculative. We're hoping that someday this thing goes up to a penny each. Maybe 20 cents each, Dogecoin. I'm looking at you. And just a couple of quick things I wanted to show you before I get out of here. Here is the HiveCoin Wallet. It's called the HiveCore Wallet here, but here is my actual total now. I'm at 317,827. And the next thing I wanted to show you is that if you want to see the difficulty currently, you can just go to the main hiveminer.org and look at the pool, and then you can see the current difficulty up here on the net and the current network hash. And finally, I wanted to show you this handy dandy calculator that they have provided us from the HiveCore dev team. Basically, you go here, you plug in your hash rate, how many mega hash. For instance, 220 is the mega hash on my 8x3070 rig. So if I put that in there, and the amount of power I'm using is more like 1250 watts, and then my electric rate I can put in 0.11, and then if you wanted to put in a speculative price of the coin, you can change it here, but I'm just going to leave it to what they have it programmed in at 0.0006 per coin, and it's telling me that my rig would make $33.93. As for this estimated HiveCoin price, you can put whatever you want in there, because technically there is no real price, because this thing is not listed on an exchange, so it does not have that liquidity yet, and the actual price is probably whatever someone's willing to pay you in a trade for the coin until it is officially listed on an exchange. So I'll make sure to link this and any additional resources down in the description. Let's hop into our outro. Well, there you have it. HiveCoin in all its glory. A 1 week test netted us just over 300,000 HiveCoin. Is this the next big thing? Are we gonna get rich with this? But there's a chance, there's that little chance, and that's why we're doing speculative mining. If you're new to mining or you need some help, make sure to join the Misfit Mining or the Hashrate Discord. Plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.